Wedgies!
Hi, I'm Abe.
And I'm Reef.
And I'm Levi, and we're going to teach you about applied learning.
Applied learning is when you put your hands to work.
Our models we created for our applied learning. And the models over here are all the different subjects. Subjects like global circulation, character in the back, climate, and our first lesson model. The climate one is hidden because we have a video that it'll appear in coming out soon. No spoilers, and the ones behind us are the ones we're going to talk about today.
My model is about the anatomy of a tornado.
And my model is about the human lung.
And my model is about plants with bugs. It's pretty much all about taking what you're learning and making something of it.
We worked really hard to build all of our models.
Yes, we did. We did a whole bunch of research.
Yes, research can be very helpful and very important.
Take my tornado facts, for example. It's researched
By book
or computer.
Or interviewing medical people. The good thing about these models is, say, 10 years from now, when I look at my model, I'll remember what I learned.
Okay, back to applied learning.
Yes, applied learning is very helpful, in fact.
I don't think we could have learned it this well without applying our learning.
Yes, because we had to put our hands to it.
And if we didn't, we probably wouldn't have been able to do this.
So, what did we learn?
I think I have the answer to that one. A lot.
My model is about the relationship between bugs and plants. So I have bugs above ground and below ground. For instance, earthworms eat the roots, so they're more damaging to plants, and assassin bugs eat past, but wait, they also eat their own kind.
My model's about the tornado. This is a storm cloud. Not just any storm cloud, though. It's a supercell. And how you can tell it's a supercell, it's an anvil, because it looks like an anvil. That's why it's called an anvil. And the bigger the supercell, the more likely there's a tornado. When the warm, moist air rises up and the cool air rushes down, it creates a vortex, which is a tornado. When the low pressure is inside of it and the high pressure is outside of it. And the tornado can go up to 300 miles per hour. That's fast.
And my model's about the human lung. I got the trachea, the bronchi, the bronchioles, and the alveoli that puts the oxygen into the blood and carries it to the rest of the body. And I know of some diseases like cystic fibrosis and, say, pneumonia and SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, COVID-19.
I hope this video is helpful to you, and I hope that you make your own models and apply your own learning. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye!
Wisdom Wedgies.